Kristen with Westside Construction. I'm here to do a repairability test. You guys are currently paying for over 200 shingles on this roof. So I'm going to start right here. As you can see though, there's hail damage throughout. I mean, just look alone at this fascia. So this roof was definitely hit. This whole neighborhood was bought. But anyways, we're going to continue on. So you want to take a close look at this hail hit right here. You can see how big of hail they got hit with. So I'm going to start using the insurance approved roof snake to do this repairability test. First thing I have to do is unseal these shingles. Unseal the shingles up top of here and on here to get this one row out. Alright, go ahead and take a look at this. You can see the hole that I just created in this shingle by trying to do that. Go ahead and look at the bottom, how it's cut. It's already showing this roof isn't repairable, but I am going to continue on. Alright, so this is a 3-tab shingle. You can see here, this is where it ends. So I have to start unsealing over this way. This is where it ends right here. Alright, so this is the row that we're needing to get off. So I'm going to start by getting this nail out that's right here. And if you want to take a closer look as I'm doing this, is already the nail has popped through, creating a larger hole than necessary, already showcasing it's unrepairable. Next one is right here, and again I have to lift the shingle up to even see what I'm doing. Obviously repair can't be done like this. You can't see what you're doing here. Alright, this one has done the same and has actually tore this shingle on the sides here too. Next one is over here. Alright, and you can actually see how much it has actually tore right here. It has tore this whole area. This nail right here. Leave this here. You can see the cut made right there.
Is there any fill?
Doesn't look like it. Alright, now I got these 2 nails up here. Alright, I'm gonna leave my snake under there. As you can see, it's completely tore these shingles. Look at that. This is really showing the roof is not repairable again. Doing 200 plus shingles is not possible. And we got this one right here. All right, so now we have this nail right here. All right, let's take a look at that. See the damage it has done. Yep, completely cut this shingle right here. This one has came out. Let's go ahead and take a look. So, just to recap, this is the one shingle that we were getting out to perform this repairability. It has failed, so it has damaged. Let's go ahead and go over it all again. It has damaged this row of shingles and this row of shingles, as well as that one over there. You can see the damage is done here. Cut across. Look at this one. So on and so forth. This roof is not repairable. We're going to go ahead and send this off to you guys to review.